Hi, I'm Daniel, Yepic's marketing lead, and today I am going to show you how you can create high-quality avatars, like me, in minutes. Let's get into it. First, you want to select an image. You can either take a photo of yourself or create one with an AI image generation tool. I would recommend using an image with a neutral expression, and make sure the mouth is closed for the best results. When your image is ready, simply click on the Upload button. Select the image you want to use, then fill in the details. This makes it easier for you to find your avatar in the studio for future use. When you have completed that, click Create. Now let's choose a script that your avatar is going to read. You can either type or paste in a script you have written yourself, or if you really want to speed up the process, you can get ChatGPT to do all the work. After you have finished your script, you can now select a voice for your avatar. At Yepic, we have voices from the world's top voice providers, so you have a lot of choice. There will be a gold ribbon next to our best voices, so keep an eye out for that. You can preview the voices by clicking the purple play button, and you can also see how it will sound with your script by clicking the preview button here. When you are happy with your video, click Generate, where your video will be ready for you in your video gallery.